In today's world, attention is the new currency. But here's the truth. You can't demand attention. You have to earn it. The internet is full of noise. Millions of posts, videos, and voices all shouting for a few seconds of your focus. So how do you make people stop scrolling and actually care about what you have to say? The answer is the magnetic hook. A hook isn't just a clever line, it's an emotional invitation. It makes your audience feel something before they even know why. Step 1, start with the feeling, not the facts. Most creators start their message with logic. Here's what I do, or here's what I know. But people don't act because of logic, they act because of emotion. Your hook needs to start with what they feel before you tell them what you know. Instead of saying, here are 5 ways to be more productive, try, ever feel like your to-do list is controlling you instead of the other way around? That's emotion. That's empathy. That's how you get people to care. Step 2, use the curiosity gap. The best hooks don't just inform, they intrigue. They create a small, irresistible gap between what your audience knows and what they need to know. Think of it like a door that's slightly open. Your job is to make people want to peek inside. Pose a question they've never thought to ask. Start with a bold statement that challenges what they believe. Begin a story and stop at the most interesting moment. Step 3, make it about them, not you. The most magnetic hooks make the audience feel seen. People don't care about your success. They care about how your story connects to their struggles, dreams, and questions. Your job isn't to impress them. It's to include them. Start your hook with words like you, we, or us. When people feel like your content speaks to them, not at them, they stay. Step 4, use story openers, not statements. Stories are the fastest way to create connection. Start your message in the middle of a moment. I was staring at my laptop at 2 a.m., ready to delete everything I'd built. That line doesn't just share information. It paints a scene. Our brains are wired to crave stories. The moment you begin one, people instinctively want to know how it ends. Step 5, keep it short and sharp. The first 5 seconds determine whether people listen or scroll. So make your opening line do the heavy lifting. Use short sentences. Use contrast. Something unexpected or counterintuitive. Avoid long intros or complex setups. Remember, clarity beats cleverness every time. A simple, powerful truth said clearly is more magnetic than a fancy metaphor that confuses. Step 6, deliver on the promise. A great hook pulls people in, but a great message keeps them there. If your hook makes a promise, your content has to fulfill it. Don't just attract attention, reward it. When people feel that listening to you was worth their time, they'll come back again. Step 7, practice empathy over ego. The strongest hooks don't come from trying to sound smart. They come from genuinely wanting to help. When your intent is to serve, not impress, your audience can feel it instantly. Your best hooks aren't the ones that go viral. They're the ones that make someone say, wow, I needed to hear that. A magnetic hook doesn't just capture attention, it captures hearts. It's what transforms content into connection. Because in the end, people don't care how perfectly you write. They care how deeply you understand them. So next time you sit down to create, don't just ask, what do I want to say? Ask, what will make them stop, feel, and care? That's how your message cuts through the noise. That's how your story becomes unforgettable.